So day 7, I've got something a little bit different. So for those of you who do watercolor, this is something that I take with me. I take the little watercolor kit that I showed you, but I also take a small tube of white gouache. Now, if you do watercolor painting, you know that white is both a blessing and a curse. With watercolor. So sometimes, particularly when you're out traveling, you can mess up. Colors can get all muddy. You can forget to leave white space. So in order to gain that white space back, quite frankly, I cheat. And I add some white gouache, which goes over the painting. It's opaque and you can paint over it. So I always take a small tube of white gouache with me, and it is an absolute lifesaver. And again, look how small and compact that is. And it just slips into your travel journal kit, no problem. And gouache isn't that expensive either. So there you go, a little travel journal hack for you. So there you go, and watch for the next day.